morning, everyone. I hope all of you guys are okay. So we're now off to our next adventure, which is in Clovelly village. So we're gonna be exploring this village, which is apparently previously owned by the Queen of England. We paid around £8 each to get into the village, and yeah, I guess it's kind of it's not a national trust, is it?
No, it's privately owned.
It's privately owned village, so it's probably for the upkeep of the village and all that. And Mike was looking at the details earlier of like parking and stuff like that, and apparently they also charge for parking, which we were surprised about because we thought that the parking is gonna be free, considering we paid for entrance for the village already. But then again,
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see when we get there. So yeah, so stay tuned. Okay, see you in a bit. Bye. So we just showed our tickets upon entering in the visitor center. So we're now in Clovelly village. Oh, there's some donkeys here. Keep to the left, keep to the left. What is that costing?
A war memorial.
A war memorial thing.
And spectacular views.
And spectacular views. Spectacular views. Oh, let's go. It's nice and quiet.
Very quiet.
It's very quiet. Some nice views over there. Let's go. Mike went ahead already. He was like waiting for me. Let's go keep exploring. Amazing views. Nice views. Trees looks really nice. It's still in full bloom. Let's go. Let's keep walking. What's that?
Victoria painting. When she died.
Okay. Oh, that's
When she died 1901.
let's go to the village.
I have to turn my apparently in his house.
Look at that. This cobbled street thingy. It's gonna be very slippery when it's wet. The houses looks really nice.
I'm not gonna use
Away from the crowd.
the Methodist chapel.
They opened in
1846.
1846. More pictures in here. So apparently when this picture was taken, there was around 1,000 people in the village, living in the village. But now there's only around 100 people living in the village. Alright, let's continue. Nice houses. That post office there. Look at the village there. That's your village. It's very quiet. What are we looking for? I think the houses are quirky. No entry. Exit only. One-way system, probably. It's a nice view over there. The beach. Let's have a look. Nice house over there. Overlooking the beach, the sea. Keep going down into the pier. Not even sure if we're halfway there or like with the whole walk thing. Guess Mike is my guide. He's my tour guide. So I'm just relying on him for directions. Nice beach. Very low tide. See, I think that all the water goes all the way up there. Just there. Wow. Let's go to the beach. Okay, a bit busy by the pier. Is this a pier? A port. Pier? Port. A harbor. Nice houses over there. Look at the stairs. Go. Okay. Here's Mike.
Nice and warm.
This house is there. Right. Ooh. Stones.
Very different beach from the one we were on yesterday.
Yeah, very.
I can't see down the island there. Maybe it's further around that.
You're obsessed with that island.
I love it.
There's a beach there. There's like a high drop standing at the edge.
Nice boat. Fish on.
So we came all the way from, where is it? If you can see it, somewhere there. There. All the way up there, then all the way down here. Alright, let's go down to the beach. How do we go down to the beach? Oh, that stairs over there. Okay, let's go down. Look at that, the watermarks there. And at the moment, the tide is all the way up there. Very, very, very low tide. Let's look at these waterfalls. Waterfalls there. Into the shade, there you go. There's the waterfalls there. It's definitely cooler when you go closer to the waterfalls, considering it's very hot out there in the sun, but the waterfalls is in the shade, so it definitely have a cooler atmosphere on this side. Yeah, let's just enjoy the waterfalls. So we're gonna walk along the coast and go to this garden. It's also part of the village that, well, free to go. So we're going to the garden now. Oh, that was quite a walk. It was steep, very steep. Dun, dun, dun. I had to remove my jacket, well, my other jacket, because it's very hot. Still very quiet. There's a lot of people arriving as well, so I think we went in the right time. Although it was quite busy already when we arrived there. But yeah, there's definitely a lot more people coming or arriving.
I think it's this way. I think that's the short version, but this is the
okay.
longer version.
Right, we'll not go the short version. We'll go the longer version, the more scenic route through the park. Hold on. Beach or the sea over there. We're nearly there, I think. There's a small hut, or the beach is still there. The village is down there. The view is really nice over that way. Break is over. Let's continue. I think. Let's go down. Finally, a sign to say where we're going. We've been walking for ages now. Okay. There's a small bridge there. Water coming down. Still haven't seen the garden. Some nice houses there. I don't know where we're going. Still haven't seen any of the gardens. Or are we close to the garden?
Nearly there.
Nearly there. So we're finally here. Dun, dun, dun. We're just going to the church, but fortunately it's being renovated at the moment, so everything is covered up. There's the church there. Let's see the surroundings. So we're walking through the compound. I'm not sure what this is. It's probably where the staff live or something. Not sure. But very nice views. Very nice views. And look at that. Not sure if you can see in the camera. It's too bright. But mic is there. Dun dun dun. The garden is empty. We're gonna go inside the greenhouse. A long greenhouse. Alright, let's go. hot in here. Very hot. What is that? Geranium?
Yeah.
I think we have some of these.
Yeah, there's lilies.
Plant lilies thingy. Some geraniums there. And some succulents. Okay, and we're out. Oh, so hot. It was so hot in there. Like this flowers here. Oh, you can hear a lot of the bees. Very nice flowers. Alright, let's go. Look at that. Let's go. We've left Clovelly Village, and we're now walking to Hartland Point. There's like a weird structure building there. It looks like a mushroom. Alright, there's a nice view of the cliff there. Nice. Look at the view there. Look at that. Nice. Can we go down? Can't go down. So that's the lighthouse over there. The one that's covered. I think they're doing some work on the lighthouse. That's why it's closed to the public. Okay, and nice rock formations there as well. We're probably gonna go back now. Guess there's not much to see. Alright, and we are home. So that was a very tiring day. A lot of walking and exploring. Where did we go? Clovelly Village and the Hartland Point. Was that Hartland Point? Yeah, something like that. Hartland Point, where the lighthouse was being renovated. So yeah, so if you enjoyed this video and if you like the Clovelly Village and Hartland Point, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up or the like button, and if you have any comments or suggestions, leave a comment down below. And please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is Cowell_Chan, and on my Facebook page, which is Cowell_Travels. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Okay, well, have some pizza and see you again in my next video. Bye.